What's going on, guys? Chandler from EzStocks here, come back at you with another video. And even though the market has been pretty flat lately, I'm going to be going over my top 3 stocks of the week that are going to make you guys some money. Alright, the first stock I want to bring up to your guys' attention is going to be Spotify. Here is the 1-year chart on Robinhood. I like to use Robinhood because it looks better on the chart wise. But if we zoom into the 3-month mark, you can see Spotify has been fluctuating around that 320, 340-ish range. Just tested all new time highs at 353. Came back down to, again, that 340-ish range. And then has now officially broken out past that. So if we zoom in, again, you can see this little spiky line going up. I guess that's going to be our technical analysis today. Spiky line going up, but it is broken out. And it will have a little bit of room to grow, in my opinion. So I've already invested a little bit into this once I saw that retest it and break out. So that's why this is my first stock that I like for this week. All right, guys. The second stock we're going to be going over is AMD, ticker symbol AMD. Pretty easy there. This stock has been pretty flat lately. This, again, is going to be the 3-month view right now. Again, you can see it's testing highs around that $95 mark. It got up to an all-time high at $99 and now has started to settle down. If we zoom in a little closer here, I guess the 1-month chart is probably best to show you. It's dropped off pretty far and is about to hit that support line again. That $90-ish is where it's been trading up and down. Again, if we zoom back out, it's been consistently holding that line, so this could be a good opportunity to buy in here, ride that bounce back up. I know I've been selling a couple of covered calls starting off, I believe, yesterday. I sold a couple of covered calls and are waiting to cash out here probably later today in an hour or two after this, just because I feel like it's going to find that bottom and then hold and bounce back up. Another point I just want to bring up on this stock again is it's been consistently, running up to that $98, $99 and then dropping off. If it does bounce back up and you do ride the wave, what I've been doing again is been selling those covered calls. I've been setting them at the 100 or the 101 or the 99. It really doesn't matter. Just a little bit above its all-time high because I don't feel like there's really any news to push it to that all-time high and beyond that and hold it for a while. So I've been doing that as well as bouncing and riding up the wave that I'm planning on doing here tonight. And the last stock I'm going to be talking about today is ticker symbol BA or Boeing. This one I've been also selling a lot of covered calls on it, just riding the steady decline. They had a pretty sharp run up this last month or so. Again, if you zoom it out here, the stock is popped off pretty high. Oh, not the you can't do year to date anymore because it's the new year. So but again, you had the corona and all that great stuff, and it's been consistently going up, and it had a pretty big spike, and now all of a sudden they're having like estimated poor earnings reports coming up for Q4. So that is something to keep in mind. So again, I've just been selling a lot of covered calls here. I'm not sure how much further it has room to fall. Again, it's gonna be testing that $200 mark here soon again, as well as that 215 already passed through. But again, play it at your own risk here. If you see a nice jump up, maybe that's a good time to sell some covered calls. Again, covered call, you think that it's just not going to go higher than whatever you set your price at. So if you think it's not going to go any higher than 230, and if it doesn't, you'll make the full profit. So yes, that is our top 3 stocks of the week, guys. Keep your eyes on anything. If you see anything juicy, let me know in the comments below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace out.